Let's analyze together Bed Bath & Beyond.
Let's go. Very interesting movement that we're experiencing right now. We are talking about an upside of more than 100% from last lows. Very interesting movement. Is this a dead cat bounce? We don't know it yet. Let's apply technical analysis and discover it together.
Okay,
Welcome
so
to Trade NFT.
based on past experience, I think it is. It's definitely like a dead cat bounce. It happened many times in other stocks we analyzed that enter into bankruptcy. This one is one of those maybe. So I would say this is gonna last a few days. And it's very interesting because I saw an article today, and it says something about this. So let's take a look at together. Here you can see the rebounds. The traders are bet on the bankruptcy versus survival odds, and then an analyst said, what I'm gonna mention, and we mentioned many times in the past, is like with bankruptcy looming, the fundamentals of the company are not attractive to investors. So what happens here is like it's gonna last a few days. It's a meme stock, and when that happens, when this is finished, it will go down like dramatically. So we told you many times this is the typical move when with penny stocks, especially this one, which is very volatile. So I would say it's not worth to follow. It's not worth it, to follow this move.
Yeah, this is very dangerous in my opinion also. Of course, it's not financial advice, just our opinion. And applying technical analysis, which is something more objective, we can clearly see if we go to the 4-hour chart, we can see with more detail. We can see this downtrend right here. The price is almost at the resistance key point. And if we go back to the 1-hour time frame, we can clearly see two trading channels. The first one was broken out right here with a false breakout, and then we had another movement to the downside, and this last one has been more strong, stronger, but also we are heading to that resistance level, which is very important. And also we have this trading channel right here. So if we see a breakout happening about this level, be very careful, because I think we could visit lower levels very fast again. And also at this level, I think there is a lot of bearish pressure, so be very careful at those areas.
Yeah, the other scenario, we could follow this pattern, which is very crazy, but you can follow it, and maybe it does something like this. But in the end, one day it will go down, and when that happens, you don't want to be there. So you can follow the trend, be there during this upturn, like for a few days, and when that finished, it's like you go and close your positions out and disappear from the stock. It's a little bit risky, especially if it's delisted. You don't want to be there when that happens. It's like you have to close your positions out before that.
Exactly, as usual, just apply technical analysis, follow your trading plan. That's the key right now. Manage risk properly and always think in your interest. Don't be fooled like the stock is going to $1 or the stock is going to bankruptcy. You don't know it. We don't know it. No one knows. If they knew it, that would be something illegal. So right now, just apply technical analysis, follow your intuition, follow your trading plan, and respect risk management. In this case, I think it's clearly the only option, because you could lose everything if you don't follow that.
Yeah, for instance, we can lose if you buy right now at this particular level 0.45 up to minus 50%. It's just not a couple of weeks. We are talking about a couple of hours. So very risky situation right now with Bed Bath and Beyond. So if you don't know how to trade these penny stocks, I don't recommend you to do it. It's better to stay on the sidelines or invest somewhere safer. And I think this is all we can say to you, no, at this particular point. So let's take a look. We'll take a look at this closer in the following weeks. So thank you very much for watching this video, and remember to follow us right here on the right, and then you can watch the video as well, anyone.
Thank you. Have a nice week. Take care. Good luck.